All right. So first question, the most voted question on by the audience: what is the potential of the derivatives market in crypto? Is it worth looking at synthetics competitors putting stocks on the blockchain like Mirror Protocol and UMA? Thanks. Yes. So we think this is huge. So Brad, one of our new blockchain engineers, he's very bullish on this. That's why recently we covered the project Perpetual Protocol. It's basically in the same space, and we think that has a lot of potential. Um, that's why I invested about 2 weeks ago. Bill, were you also in that one too? I think, were you trading that, or was it no?
No, I was
You
in
there, Bill?
synthetics.
Synthetics, like right. But yeah, I mean, I think this is a big space, right? So synthetics, I have perp, I have UMA. We looked into decent project. It did pretty well last year, late last year, around August when Coinbase added it. But one project we covered recently, this was the most recent code review. Well, actually, we did the initial investment report slash code review, but there's a second code review coming to our customers this coming week. But last week we did send this out. I think it was Wednesday or Thursday to our customers. It's called Charm Finance. Worth keeping an eye on this. This has not launched yet. So earlier in the show, I mentioned I would share a few projects we're bullish on that haven't launched yet. This is one of them. Just Google this Charm Finance, creating liquidity for the centralized options. Now, this space is huge because if we go to DeFi pools, right, Synthetics has almost $2 billion locked up. Right now, so we think this is next. We think this is DeFi 2.0. And imagine being able to ride the DeFi 2.0 wave, but also finding a project with great technology, great code that launches with a low market cap. That's how you get the 10x and possible 100x. So we're still doing the full code review on this, but definitely worth keeping an eye on this project called Charm Finance. Let me see if there's more information on this. But basically, they have a very innovative way with how they handle their options. But anyway, stay tuned for the code review. We'll be emailing that out. Then let me see what else in terms of other competitors. If we go over here, we did look into Octus a while back in August actually, but this hasn't really moved much to my knowledge. But we do think this is a big space, and definitely we think you should have at least one investment in this space, whether it's SNX, whether it's something with more potential for explosive growth like Charm Finance or Perp. Definitely a big space. Bill, your thoughts?
Well, I'm looking at UMA, right? I mean, it's obvious that this theme of crypto being able to capitalize and allow people to trade, I don't know what you want to call them, tokenized derivatives, where people can trade stocks and not necessarily, I don't know, they may have to deal with slippage, but at least they won't be getting fed to some sort of hedge fund algorithm. So the idea of tokenized equities, I actually think one day there's going to be more volume in Tesla on blockchains than there is at the stock exchanges one day. Okay. UMA is a pick where I think it can go from 10 to 14 because I don't think this theme is fully traded. Like everyone went after synthetics. They started to go after perp. Okay. I was looking at UMA. I was looking at Band. You know, some of these themes can just take off. And there's going to be a whole new group of winners. Like I said, DeFi 2.0 now includes derivatives. It now includes trading. It literally means replacing the functions of Wall Street. And I don't think they can stop it. As a matter of fact, the public at large might welcome it. It's not just some intellectual crypto curiosity anymore for gearheads. People, the people, right? As in we the people, they want it, okay? And the crypto market is poised to give it to them.
Okay. Thank you, Bill. So actually, I was able to pull up one of the code, I would say, investment reports we put out recently on Charm Finance to our customers, just to kind of give you guys a preview on the research we're working on and trying to just offer more value to our customers, especially finding projects early on, projects that aren't even trading yet, because we have been getting lots of requests to cover those projects that haven't been traded anywhere, right? So this is term finance. If you're a customer, you should have received this email. Just kind of, it's about 4 or 5 pages on this project. This is kind of, let me see. This kind of goes through and explains the narrative of why we think this is next in terms of DeFi 2.0, why options derivatives is next, right? So great report put together by one of our blockchain engineers. We'll be doing the follow-up to this, the official code review, going through the code on GitHub once we have all that. So stay tuned, but definitely worth keeping this on your watch list. Now, that does not mean go out there and FOMO into it because it's not trading anywhere yet. And as a result, with these projects, because I think right now this is pretty much only for liquidity mining, I believe, right? But definitely worth keeping an eye on. Okay.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com. Disclaimer: Token Metrics Media LLC does not provide individually tailored investment advice and does not take a subscriber's or anyone's personal circumstance into consideration when discussing investments, nor is it registered as an investment advisor or broker-dealer in any jurisdiction. Information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold, or sell any security. The Token Metrics team has advised and invested in many blockchain companies. A complete list of their advisory roles and current holdings can be viewed here at tokenmetrics.com/disclosures.